Hello, my friend. Welcome to English Speaking Zone. I am Tina, and I am very happy you are here today. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you stop speaking English because you are scared of mistakes? If yes, stay with me. This lesson is for you. The title today is Speak English Confidently, Even If You Make Mistakes. Take a breath. You do not need perfect English. You need confidence, and confidence starts today. Many people feel nervous when they speak English. They feel shy. They feel scared. That is normal. You are normal. Fear closes your mouth. Confidence opens your voice. Today, we will learn how to speak English confidently, even when your English is not perfect. Now listen carefully. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are part of learning. Repeat after me. Mistakes are okay. Again, mistakes are okay. Good. Confidence is more important than grammar. Speaking is more important than perfection. Now repeat. I do not need perfect English. Again, I do not need perfect English. Very good. Now let's start step by step. Step 1 is your thinking. Your thinking is very powerful. If you think, my English is bad, you feel weak. If you think, my English is growing, you feel stronger. So today, we change the words in your mind. Do not say, I am bad at English. Say, I am learning English. Now repeat, I am learning English. I am learning English. Very nice. Now ask yourself, are you learning English? Yes, you are learning right now. That means you are successful already. Step 2 is speaking slowly. Many learners try to speak fast. Fast speech brings stress. Stress brings mistakes. Slow speech brings calm. Calm brings confidence. You do not need to hurry. Take your time. Now repeat slowly with me. My name is. Say your name. Good. Again. My name is. Say your name again. Nice. Did you hear that? You spoke English. That is success. Step 3 is simple sentences. Simple sentences are powerful. Simple sentences are clear. You do not need long sentences. You do not need difficult words. Listen. I live here. Simple. Now repeat. I live here. Good. I work today. Now repeat. I work today. Nice. Now let me ask you, do people understand these sentences?
Yes, that is communication. Now, take a breath. Let's practice a real-life example. You are at a store. You want water. You say, I want water. Is it perfect? No. Is it clear? Yes.
Now repeat. I want water. Again. I want water. Very good. Another example. You are at work. Someone asks, how are you? You say, I am good. Thank you. Now repeat. I am good. Thank you. Nice. Do you see? Simple English works. Now step 4. Use your voice every day. Not only in your head, use your mouth, use your voice. You can practice alone, at home, in the shower, in the car. Say simple things. Now, repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Next. How are you? How are you? Next. I am fine. I am fine. Very nice. Now, a small challenge. Answer this out loud. What day is today? Say it now. Good. You did it. Step 5 is very important. Do not stop when you make a mistake. Stopping kills confidence. Continuing builds confidence. If you make a mistake, continue. Do not say sorry many times. Just continue. Now repeat. I will continue speaking. Again. I will continue speaking. Excellent. Now listen to a story. Imagine a woman. She is learning English. She is at a coffee shop. She wants coffee. She feels nervous. Her heart beats fast. She says, I want coffee milk. The sentence is not perfect, but the worker understands. The worker smiles. She gets her coffee. She feels happy. She spoke English. This can be you. Now repeat. I can do this. Again. I can do this. Good. Now let's practice shadowing. Listen, then repeat. I am not afraid. Repeat. I am not afraid. Next, I am learning. Repeat. I am learning. Next, I am getting better. Repeat. I am getting better. Very good. Now, let me ask you, are you feeling a little more calm? Yes or no? If yes, that is great. If no, that is okay. Confidence grows slowly. Take a breath. In part 2, we will talk about fear of judgment, fear of people laughing, and how to feel calm and confident when others listen. Stay with me. Part 2 will help you even more. You are doing great. Do not stop.